Hey, how's it going? Coming to here with the Coleman Cascade 222 Coleman stove. Just picked it up from Academy. Here's the box it came in. It was packaged in there good. I think these are fairly new. I can't find any other reviews. That's the only reason I'm making this one, so that people can get a good look at it. The only thing I've found on YouTube is like a 30-second promo, and that's only like a month old. So here's the Coleman Cascade 222. Couldn't find a lot of information on it, but I did look up a lot of other stoves, and it looks like this is an improved version of the Coleman stoves. They seem to have fixed all the complaints that people have, which is the latch that's not good enough. This has a big beefy latch right there, pops right open. And this one actually has fine-tunable gas, which is the other complaint. I've opened this, I lit it one time, so this is going to be the second lighting. But one of the reasons I picked this one, I looked at there's about a dozen that I could have owned and wouldn't have cared, but I just liked the way this one looked with the curved corners. It's like they're trying to look retro, but it's like a modern retro. And this is the one I really liked. Got this at Academy for $149.99 plus tax. The other one I had narrowed it down to was this one and the Coleman Classic, which was only about like 40 bucks. So I paid quite a bit more for this one, but I liked the way this one looked. We had a Coleman, my dad had a Coleman liquid fuel stove. We had it, and I remember cooking on it. They had it since before I was born, and he still has it, and he still uses it, it still works. And I remember that, so, you know, when my kids look back, they're going to remember this, you know, and hopefully I'll have it. So it just pops right open like that. These store right in there. Let me get it out. Have a look-see at this burner. Isn't that a cool burner? Okay, got one open. Sorry, it's just on my stove here. You'll have to just excuse the mess, but it has the normal. You can get it farther. Pretty simple. In or out. Both sides. Pops right open. Nothing to it. Gas nozzle. Stored inside there. Great. They advertise this as like for modern. This is the modern style because it holds the pan better. It says something like that. I don't remember. This screws right into the side. Y'all know how this works. Screws right in or whatever. Got one of these tanks. Screws right on. I am going to light this, but I do have a window open. Just can't see it. Hey, don't make a mess. I just want to get in. Alright, I believe that's screwed on. Then it does have the auto ignite here, so you just gas, ignite, comes on. Just like that. Goes low, high. Let me get the lights. Low, low, and then high. Left side, gas going, fires right up. Guess I should watch my hand instead of the screen. They get low to me. Looks low to me, and then can do some damage up there. Okay, got the flames are still on kind of low. These are two large skillets. This one is 12 inch, this one's 10, so 12 and 10. On other Coleman stoves like this, the right side gets hotter, so that's where you would be doing your hotter cooking, left side less, but to me, these look the same. I mean, this side is not affecting this one. doesn't seem to matter. So I think this is a new and improved version. I think they took everyone's complaints and they figured out how to fix it all, and I like the way it looks, and I think it's great. Now, I hadn't put it to the real test. This is only day one. So hopefully we'll get some camping trips out there, and then we'll give it a good working over, and we'll come back and tell you how it performs. Thanks for watching.